Good morning, everyone. So we are going to be working on our cut paper collages that represent a travel brochure that we want to, or a place where we would like to go, a place that inspires us to travel. So I'm going to be doing a building from Dubai. So this building represents a sail on the ocean. And so the first thing that I need to do is I need to figure out what colors I need to use for my cut paper collage. And the specific colors that I'm looking for are my background colors. And I understand that this is a black and white photo printout, but I know that it's light blue here in the background, so I picked myself out a light blue. I've got some white for my clouds, and then I've got some smaller two tones of blue for my water down here. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with that. So the first thing I need to do is I need to realize that whenever I'm doing a cut paper collage, you always have to do what's farthest away first. So backgrounds come first, not the main detail. This is the very last thing I'm going to do after the lettering. So I need to make sure that I'm starting with the sky, and the clouds, and then go to the ground. Okay, so I'm going to start out with just making some clouds. Those clouds in the picture were a little bit puffy, so I can sketch out some of those puffy clouds, draw them out for myself. I'm trying to use as little paper as possible. There's no need to have a lot of waste going on. So I've lightly drawn out where my clouds are going to be. Got them drawn out there, and I'd go ahead and cut those out. Not really going to force you guys to watch me cut stuff, but I'd also be thinking about how I'm going to do the ground and how much room I need there to be for my whole building to fit. All right, so thinking about a third of the paper needs to be ground. So I'm going to get myself some scissors, cut myself my ground line, measure it back up. I'm actually going to use the flat edge down there. And then I know I want to put a little bit of this dark blue in there as well. So I'm going to cut myself some of that. One of the cool things about a cut paper collage is that if you make a pencil line, if you just flip the paper over, the pencil line will disappear. So I like that two-tone going on there, and maybe even if I wanted to, I can add some details, add a little bit of like white caps, showing waves, put them as some details. This is your cut to reveal line cutting technique we know from earlier projects. Add some of those details, and then I'd go back and I'd make those clouds. Okay, so I'm not going to make you guys watch as I cut everything out, but I will have it cut out for our next video. And again, do be thinking about those techniques as well. So I've got some of those. I'd glue everything down, and then I would be ready for my lettering. Another thing you need to remember is that at some point, either horizontally or vertically, you're going to have to write the name of the country. So you need to make sure that you're leaving room for that in your picture as well. All right, you guys, I'll see you later.